Left hand side bottom मध्ये you can see ready. So generally Excel file is ready to perform any activities as such. तुम्ही जेव्हा एखाद्या सेल मध्ये क्लिक करता आणि तुम्हाला याच्यात काहीतरी लिहायचं आहे, इफ आय प्रेस डबल क्लिक करतो तर द सेल गोज इन समवेअर द राईट एडिट मोड और एंटर मोड. मतलब म्हणजे तुम्ही काहीतरी त्या सेल मध्ये टाकू शकता किंवा एडिट, काही काही एक्सेल मध्ये एडिट मोड लिहितात, काही काही मध्ये एंटर लिहितात. सो इधर वे this cell is now in the mode where you can put in data. If I press escape again, the sheet is read. So these are various modes in which your Excel is working. Besides that ready, there is a small button of macros. Macros are going to be very important. Generally macros is a part of advanced Excel. Generally macros is a part of advanced Excel, but I'm going to cover macros in this only. For macros makes your work very much efficient. So a bit higher version, but towards the end, once we are okay with the Excel files, we are okay with the data in that, we will also understand how to use macros. So as of now, I'm keeping that on hold. Right hand side corner madhe, you can see there are modes in which this file is visible. So page layout, normal, page layout, print. Generally you will be using normal or page break, means this is like a printing format. So if you want to print how your Excel file will get printed, this is a print mode basically. Normally we will be following normal mode, and here you can zoom in, zoom out depending upon the data. Maximum zoom out you can do to 10%, zoom in you can do almost to 400%. So this is what is generally the maximum parameters. Of course a bit here and there is possible. Excel update hot rahata, Excel se features goes on updating, so bit here and there is possible, but 99% things are almost same. So we try to understand what is exactly there on the screen when you open your blank Excel file. Actually Excel mein kaam karna is sometimes very much easy. The reason is, there are various templates which are prepared by the Excel itself. Everyone please click on file. Please click on file. You can see there are multiple options. I will discuss all these options. Right now I'm keeping this on hold. File tab ke upar we will have a long discussion. But here what I want to discuss is this part. Can you see over here more templates? Just click on this more templates. Excel has done some pre-work. There are many Excel sheets already prepared for you. There are many Excel sheets already prepared for you. Like say for example, I want to make a budget. So I just type over here budget and I search. You will see there are thousands of templates coming out for budget. I'm not saying that you can use these templates as it is, not exactly, but you can get a fair idea how your budget needs to be prepared. Some things you can pick directly, some things you need to modify. So these templates are of great help. If you are clueless, please press escape to come to the Excel sheet. So these templates are of great help if you are unaware about the Excel. You are not getting the direction that I want to do something, but I am not getting how should I go to that part. So let me see whether there's a template already prepared for that. If a template is already prepared, I can follow that template altogether. So but right now is not current level pay, it is not suitable to directly use the templates. Over the period, once we are okay with Excel, we understand the flow of Excel, later on we can follow the templates if required. उसमें बहुत कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन करना पड़ता है as per our requirements, but that will give you a fair idea. ठीक है, अब मैं बोल रहा था आपको कि ये सेल रेफरेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मतलब ये जो A1 है या B1 है, this is very important. This is very important. Why I'm saying this is, say for example, एक और चीज before I go ahead, एक और चीज, सब कुछ डिस्कस कर लिया मैंने, बट आई जस्ट पुट सम नंबर्स ओवर हियर 1 2 3 फॉर एग्जांपल। और जब मैं कोई भी न्यूमेरिक डेटा सिलेक्ट करता हूं, तो यू कैन सी ओवर हियर देयर आर some parameters or some activity done by Excel itself. Whenever you select any numeric data, please type anything. Type anything, please. Any numbers. Any numbers. And select those numbers. You will find Excel performing some actions. Of course, आपके पास ये सब होगा जरूरी नहीं है. You might have count, you might have average, you might have sum. You might have more, you might have less. ये भी कस्टमाइज किया हुआ है. सब लोग यहाँ पे आ गए. आपके पास एक्सेल ने कुछ कंप्यूट किया? कैन यू जस्ट चेक? जब भी आपने कुछ न्यूमेरिक डेटा सिलेक्ट किया है, एक्सेल ने सेल्फ कंप्यूटेशन किया है. आपके एंड पे हुआ ये?
विशाल नाही येते तिकडे.
काही पण नंबर्स घे ना. 100 200 काहीच होत नाहीये.
एक मिनिट.
आणि सिलेक्ट कर. शिफ्ट प्रेस करून सिलेक्ट कर.
एक सेकंड. हा यस
येतंय? येस. लागलं इथं राईट क्लिक करा. जिथे तुमचं काही पण आहे ना, या लाईन वरती इफ यू राईट क्लिक, यू विल सी दिस स्टेटस बार की तुम्हाला काय काय हवंय. You can select from this. Okay, I want minimum also, I want maximum also, I want average also. You can select whatever you need to be showcased over there. So काही by default असतील.
शिफ्ट आणि काय सांगितलं तू?
हे सेल याला म्हणतोय, सिलेक्ट करायला म्हणतोय.
येस.
हा, शिफ्ट आणि एरो कीज. लाईक आता 200 खाली आहे ना, शिफ्ट आणि डाऊन एरो.
ओके.
राईट?
येस.
एरो कीज वापरा. सिलेक्ट करण्यासाठी शिफ्ट अँड स्पेसिफिक एरो कीज. राईटला असेल तर राईट, डाऊन असेल तर डाऊन. आणि एक्सेल काही गोष्टी बाय डिफॉल्ट कम्प्युट करतो. तर तुमचं समटाइम्स बिकॉज वेन यू आर लाईक, आता तुम्हाला बिझनेस मध्ये तुला फक्त बघायचंय माझ्या यू हॅव डेली सेल्स फॉर एक्झाम्पल. सो तू डेली सेल्स पुट केले, तुला फक्त एवढं बघायचंय की मंथली माझा टोटल सेल किती झालाय. यू जस्ट सिलेक्ट ऑल द नंबर्स, you will get a sum over here automatically. You need not perform any additional activity also over there. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
You will get maximum sales kiti zala, minimum sales kiti zala, average sales kiti zala. You will get a snapshot of the statistics. Of course, हे सगळं फाइंड करण्यासाठी there are multiple ways. बट आहे ना, कधी आपल्याला आज जायचं नाहीये, आपल्याला फक्त एक स्नॅपशॉट पाहिजे. मला ना खूप काही वर्किंग करायचं नाही, मला फक्त एक स्नॅपशॉट बघायचं किती झालंय. So you can use this. It will work only on numeric data and restricted. ठीक है? हाँ. Now what I was telling you was कि cell reference खूप important है. का बरं मी म्हणतोय आता समजा. Say for example, I want total of like these three numbers. One thing I told you is you can have directly sum over there. बट समजा मला यांची टोटल पाहिजे, तर मी जनरली काय करेल, मी करेल इज इक्वल टू. अच्छा, एक्सेल मध्ये फक्त 3च गोष्टी एंटर होतात. एक टेक्स्ट, दुसरं नंबर आणि तिसरा फॉर्म्युला. यू कॅन पुट ओनली 3 थिंग्स इन द सेल. वन इज टेक्स्ट, अनदर वन इज नंबर, and third one is formula. Formulas will help, it will make your life easy. Formulas is basically some by default some mechanism, some instructions are given to Excel की मला हे easy मध्ये करून दे, पटकन करून दे, तर तो तुला करून दे. So that is nothing but formulas. Right now formulas वर येत नाहीये. आता मला for example I want total of 100 200 and 400. What I can do is I can say please do along with me. Please do along with me. Whenever I want to do any calculation, in Excel, you need to start the calculation with is equal to or plus. Whenever you want to do any calculation in Excel, you need to do it. You need to start your cell with is equal to. Is equal to, like समज जर मी is equal to नाही लिहित for example, and if I do it 100 plus 200 plus 400, Excel will not do anything. Excel करता ही फक्त माहिती आहे. Excel does not understand की याला इथे compute करायचंय. त्याला कसं काय कळेल? If you start with is equal to, त्याला कळेल अच्छा I need to do some action on this. So I say is equal to, now I say 100 plus 200 plus 400 and I press enter. You will see Excel will give you the answer as totally 700. Please try it out. Please try it out. Because I want to tell you what is the importance of that cell reference. Say for example, here तुझे monthly sales है, amounts in lakhs, 100 lakhs, 200 lakhs, म्हणजे 1 crore, 2 crore, 4 crore तू sales केले per month. Jan मध्ये एवढे केले, फेब मध्ये एवढे केले, मार्च मध्ये एवढे केले, फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आणि टोटल सेल्स तुला मिळत आहे 700. जस्ट फॉर एक्झाम्पल कसं केलं, इज इक्वल टू दिस प्लस दिस प्लस दिस. वर्क होत आहे? हा. नाउ द इश्यू इज, तुला उद्या समजलं की बाय मिस्टेकली मी फेब मध्ये 200 टाकलंय, ऍक्च्युअली फेब मध्ये माझा सेल्स जास्त आहे, फेब मध्ये माझा सेल्स 250 आहे. मी जेव्हा इथे 250 टाइप करतोय ना, 250 मुळे इथे काहीच फरक पडत नाहीये, बिकॉज आय हॅव टाइप्ड 200. सो आय नीड टू अगेन गो अँड चेंज ओव्हर अँड मेक इट 250. जस्ट इमॅजिन, मी तर मंथली एक नंबर घेतलाय. जर डेली सेल्स असेल, डेली 100 सेल्स इनवॉइसेस असतील आणि तुम्हाला टोटलिंग करायची, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस वे ऑफ डुईंग इज इक्वल टू प्लस दिस प्लस दिस प्लस दिस is practically possible when you have data which is limited. मला जर 1000 व्हॅल्यूज ला प्लस करायचंय, तो इट इज प्रॅक्टिकली नॉट पॉसिबल की मी एक एक व्हॅल्यू टाइप करतोय. मग एक्सेलचा यूज काय? एक्सेल नो यूज. what I can do is, second way, I am saying Excel, don't add 100, 250 and 400. Do one thing, add whatever information is there in that cell. So I am pressing is equal to, is equal to, and with the help of mouse I am selecting 100. Please do along with me. Is equal to and select the cell जो नंबर आहे, जो मला टोटलिंग मध्ये घ्यायचा आहे, तो नंबर सिलेक्ट करा. तर बघा, हायलाइट करतोय विथ एनी कलर. होतंय?
येतंय.
प्लस पुढचा सेल 250 वाला. बेसिकली मी सांगतो 250 नको ऍड करू. इफ यू सी ओव्हर हियर, आय एम सेइंग ऍड E2, ऍड E1 प्लस ऍड E2 प्लस ऍड E3. म्हणजे E1, E2, E3 म्हणजे जे काही आहे ते ऍड कर. आय एम टेलिंग माय एक्सेल, डोंट ऍड 100, 250, 400. ऍड वॉट एव्हर इज देअर इन E1, E2 अँड E3. अँड आय प्रेस एंटर. तुला 750 आन्सर आला? जे काही तुझा आन्सर आहे ते आलाय तुला?
आलंय.
Now try to change. Now you feel, oh, in the month of Jan I made a mistake. Actually my sales of Jan is not 100 but it's only 80. I just go and change the number 80 and you will see my answer over here will change from 750 to 730, because now I am not adding 100, 250 and 400. I am adding E1, E2, E3. So once you give cell reference to the formula, you change anything in the cell, the formula will recalculate. I change it 400 nahi hai, only 300 hai. My answer will change from 730 to 630. So practically Excel mein you cannot say this, you cannot put numbers ka addition. What is preferred is give cell reference, because Excel is generally used for analysis. Analysis mein there can be modification. Like you might be estimating that माझा सेल पुढच्या महिन्यामध्ये एवढा होईल, माझा खर्च एवढा होईल, प्रॉफिट एवढा होईल. But real scenarios may be different, or you need to change your estimation because of some external force. So I cannot every time go and change the formula. What I can do is I can change the respective cell itself, or whatever number I want to change. I just need to change that number. Ultimate result will also change. So cell reference or cell, the name box is very, very important. That is where your entire Excel plays. If you start typing your formulas, you will make a very big mistake. I hope understandable hai? Yeah. Achha, there are so many buttons and tabs. Practically it is very difficult to go through every button, every tab. So in basic course we will try to go through many, but some buttons, some tabs we need to explore on our own also. So over the period, once you become a bit familiar with the software or the tool, automatically you will be able to understand how to use the remaining buttons also. So over the period that thing will happen. We will try to cover up maximum in these 7 days, but practically not possible to cover each and every function of Excel. It's a vast software. It has n number of workers, but we will try to cover maximum. Let me just see if anything what I can cover in few minutes. Okay, one thing I just want to cover up for to end for today is, I told you we have to use, to the extent possible, we have to use our keyboard. So Excel uses shortcuts. Please press Alt key with me. Press Alt key. Can you see there are some alphabets and some numbers coming up? Just press Alt key. Yeah, these are shortcuts. Shortcuts means if I want to jump to, say for example, page layout, I will press P. If I press P, I go to that tab, and there are more alphabets. If I want to, say for example, do margins, I will press M, and I will get the information or that button. Means one best shortcut to use. See, if I don't want to use my mouse, I want to use the ribbon and the tabs without using mouse. Press Alt, and you will find some numbers, some letters appearing. Those are the shortcuts to go to the respective tabs or use quick access toolbar. Right now you might feel it a bit difficult to use, but once you start using these shortcuts, you will refrain using your mouse because it jumps very quickly. So if I want to just press, if I press Alt H, H is home, and I say again H, I will get the color coding. Try it out. Today's target will be, I will share one file also on your WhatsApp, where I want you to use or find the total of few numbers just for practice. And what you will do is you will try to get familiar with this Alt key. Press Alt and try to just press these letters, these alphabets, and go in between. For example, मला हा जो cell है D6 याला color करायचं आहे yellow. What I do is I press Alt, I press H, I press H, and I select here. Now you will feel इतना करना है, but over the period वो इतना learn हो जाएगा. It will be Alt HH color. That will be the speed over the period once you get used to the Excel shortcuts. So another way to navigate is using shortcuts, but this navigation is for the tabs and for the ribbons. I told you that tabs, ribbons, maybe with the help of keyboard you can navigate. That is by using Alt key. Okay, I will share a small Excel file on your WhatsApp. वो भी करके आना और आज एक बार के लिए just go through that ribbon. Try to go through that alt key and see whether I can navigate through the tabs. Try to navigate within the worksheet. Try to navigate within the cells. See whether all the navigation with the help of keyboard is smooth. थोड़ा उसमें practice करेंगे ना तो आपका काम easy हो जाएगा. I hope today's session was a bit okay to understand for the start that okay, this is what is the base from which we have to take ahead. I hope it was okay.
Yes, Vishal.
Yeah. So tomorrow same time 7 p.m. we will connect. Okay. Any doubt you can just ping me while trying to do something on Excel. If you face any problem, just put me a message. I will try to revert as soon as possible. Thank you so much. You can leave.